Are you listening me now?
Yes.
It's okay. Sound is good?
Yes, it's good.
Okay. Here is the correlation 130. We want to see the what is meant by 130 correlation. Here is the correlation 131, which is correlation
31.
function of GGA LYP.
LYPS.
If we want to see correlation PBE, here is the correlation PBE, which is which has ID 131. So this is the way you can tell the code which IDE should be used. And for next meta GGA, sometimes we can also use the same exchange and correlation functional, which is actually combined correlation functional. For example, the same correlation functional OPBED, OPB, these are the combined exchange correlation function. These are the GGA kinetic energy functionals. There
Okay,
are
sir.
hybrid GGA functionals. Okay, there will be meta GGA function. These are the meta GGA functionals. For example, if we want to use the meta GGA functional, suppose we want to use the meta GGA functional, meta GGA X2D JS17, then its ID is 609. And what their ID will be? Their ID will be, we will write here. Okay? And correlation ID will be written here. Exchange ID will be written here for meta GGA, and correlation ID will be written here for meta GGA.
Okay.
So now question
Exchange
is,
correlation.
So
So still have a little question.
now the question is
Okay, I have a
that
question.
whether we always should use external library like
With,
libex.
sir,
Yes. Ask the
with
question.
the code approximation mention करना है जो code we use with the code as like GGA, LDA.
Yes. Whenever we will write some document, some
We
paper,
will mention with code
we will mention that
GGA.
what are the GGAs,
Ox.
LDA, whether we are using LDA or using GGA or using meta
Ox, sir,
GGA.
ox.
It all will be can be told together.
Mention.
Now we go to Nuruddin. Nuruddin.
Okay.
Yes.
Nuruddin.
Question, yes, I have. My question is for what of the first.
Your sound is not. No, your sound is breaking.
Live कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
It's because of my network actually. It's not just but are you hearing
क्यों
me?
जा रहे हैं?
Yes, I am hearing you. Now let me know what are you asking.
Okay, so my question is from the x equals to
चलो see you.
000. So that one is what does that one mean? It's for the LDA.
This means that we are not using LDA.
Okay.
This means that we are not using LDA. But I want to show something, and I want to tell something to, especially to the Nuruddin.
Okay.
Nuruddin, you are curious about the libex, and you want to install the libex on your system. But I want to tell you that the LDA, GGA, and meta GGA, these are all present in the code, built-in present in the code. Okay. If we want to
Okay, sir.
use either LDA or GGA or meta GGA, these three type of libraries are built in the Quantum Espresso. We do not need them from the
Okay.
libx. Okay.
Okay.
So Nuruddin, don't
Okay,
worry
no
about the
problem.
presence or absence of libx,
No
but
problem.
because
problem.
we are going to use LDA, PBE, and PBE Sol. These are all internally present in our Quantum Espresso. So we do not need to use libx. Libx will be used when we are going to make some publication and some refinements. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now this was the major thing which I want to learn you. Okay.
शकील ऐसे बंद
Okay,
कर देना.
Nuruddin,
Yes,
Okay, sir.
have you understand?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Not only hearing, have you understand?
Yes, actually, but the network is yes,
It's
small.
okay. Small. Why small?
problem.
You should answer the questions.
Yeah, actually,
So let me
fluctuating. I'm not hearing.
tell me what is meant by this. Then what is meant by this?
Actually, those ones they are from the exchange correlation potential from the exchange correlation potential library.
This is the exchange correlation potentials used by the
Are you hearing me?
Quantum Espresso from its own libraries.
Are you hearing?
Are you listening
Yes.
me?
They are from the
Nuruddin?
PB source, the exchange correlation potential that was used. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
But the difference is that whenever
These
you
are,
use libx,
sir, these are code which
I am
use some approximation method as like
yes, these are codes as I have
please
told
continue.
you in the theoretical version that Cohen-Sham theory is exact, but we do not know the exact exchange correlation functional.
It
So for the exchange correlation functional, we have to make approximation.
okay, sir. I will understand.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
understand.
Now
Understanding.
I want to tell you something. Yes, Nuruddin, what are you saying?
Okay. I say that means they are from the exchange correlation approximation. That is the quantum mechanical property of the material. Those numbers.
Yes, actually I want to show you as we have learned that
Okay.
this is LDA, this is also for LDA, this is for GGA, this is for GGA. But why, if code is asking that it is using PB Sol, then why it is using this LDA, exchange and correlation functional?
Okay.
So let me answer this question that internal library of the Quantum Espresso, whenever we want to use GGA in the using internal functional of Quantum Espresso library, it will also use these in that way. It always use these in that way. It always use later exchange of LDA, later correlation of LGA, of LDA,
Okay.
and then it will use the exchange correlation functional for GGA. Okay. So in
Okay, sir.
case of our present case, it is 1, it is 4, it is 10, it is 8. 8 mean PBE 10 and 8 mean PBE sole. Let me show you where is PBE sole. Exchange correlation of PBE sole. This is the exchange correlation of PBE sole, and its number is 116.
Yes.
Okay, and we want to see where is the correlation of PBE sole. This is the correlation of PBA. This is the correlation of PBE sole, which is 133.
Speed Barker Eisenhower.
Now question is that our code is not using those numbers, it is using 10 and 8. This is actually
sir.
the ID of the internal libraries of Quantum Espresso. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Whenever LDA exchange and LDA correlation are used along with the GGA calculations, then the numbering is written in that way. Okay? If
Sir.
if we will use the input DFT just by using DBEX, then there would be something different. Let me
Okay.
show you. We want to use input DFT from let me show you what is happening. We save it as save it at dot PBE sole. Save. And we want to fix the PBE using libxc input underscore DFT is equal to exchange correlation 000 I 000 I, and let me see the PBE sole. PBE sole correlation is 133. PBE sole is exchange. We have to write the exchange first. Then first I should see the exchange. Keep in remember that this is 133. PBE sole. Where is PBE sole? PBE sole exchange. This is 116. 116. So I will write is 116. Okay. And write is L, because this will be used on the libx library. And 133 was that, and then 000 I 000 I, and here is let us see that whether it is now doing the PB sole calculation or doing something else. Are you listening?
Yes.
Rodin? Let me run the calculation. We're using this new input file. Open terminal, and then where I have saved it. Okay, here it. Yes. PE dot PBE CSPEI through PBE dot
Okay, you've made a mistake. That led to germanium. Yes, yes, no problem.
actually we I forget to change the input name from PBE to GGE, so it is taking as,
Okay, I think
so it is making some sort of error. Now PBE,
change the lead. Yes.
we will change a bit again. It makes no difference. It will not affect our calculations. But just we want to check what is happening now. Let me show you what is saying. That's which input DFT is being used here. Here is the input exchange correlation functional. What we have done? 116, 1130. No, it is giving as we have given them, given to the code. Okay.
Yes.
Let us see. Is there some difference? Now it is converged. Let us see the result. We want to compare the things. For example, here is the highest occupied level is a 4.7120, and let me see what was it in the last. It was 4.7120. The total energy is
300.
minus 300.666122. Let us see what is there. Minus 300,
Yes.
666 up to third order of magnitude, it is the same.
It's almost the same. Maybe it's just the last three numbers that are not the same.
Well, last number doesn't matter.
It's almost the same.
They does not matter. There may be change in this value. By chance, it is not. It says that almost everything is the same. Exchange correlation contribution. Let's see what is the exchange correlation contribution. Minus 142. It is almost same. Okay. And 88 Hartree contribution of 88, exchange correlation contribution minus 79,546. This is very same. Actually, I want to show these things to you that we haven't make any mistake. Whenever Quantum Express use its own library, the results is the same as we use the libx library. So this means that this input DFT, the procedure for writing this input DFT is correct. Now, if anyone of you have some question.
No, sir.
Now, let us, first of all, we should correct the input file names.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nuruddin, here is the time for the Maghrib prayer.
Okay.
Let me give you 20 minutes. Go. Will I wait for 20 minutes?
If you want to discuss something, then we will take after 10 or 15 minutes, we will take again meeting. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So how many minutes will I? How many minutes?
How many minutes?
Yes.
About 20 minutes.
No problem. I will just sit down. I will wait for 20 minutes.
Probably there would be the time of 4 o'clock at your place.
Yes.
4:19.
Let me check your time now.
Okay, we will be here after 20 minutes, inshallah. Okay?
Okay, that is 1940. That's 8:40.
5:40, 4:40 hoga.
Okay, sir.
No, here is 3 o'clock,
Okay.
3:20. No problem. 3:40.
Yes.
Then one will come back by. Because that are you there? Are you there?